Alright, so I'm going to try solving absolute value equations. I'm going to do an equations one, I'll do an inequalities one, then we'll do some graphing, so on and so forth, just to make sure that you got the a different objective. So your objective today is to be able to solve it and graph it on a number line. Alright, so again, when I taught this to you the first time around, we kind of blocked out this part of it, and we basically said, hey, actually, let me just for the physical blocking out of part, if I scribbled over this right here and then just asked you what two numbers have an absolute value of 12, meaning what two numbers are 12 clicks away from 0, you would answer 12 and negative 12. So what I'm going to do is I have to find two numbers that when I put in and do this math, I get 12 and negative 12. So those are your two equations. So you're going to do one equation where you're doing equal to 12, and then you're doing another equation where it's equal to negative 12. And then you just solve it like you normally do. And again, on the test, you'll probably have a few steps more to do, but for the sake of time, I didn't want to spend tons of time on that. So your first number is 17. Your second number is, and you got to watch your math on that, you should get, a negative 7. Alright, so when you graph those two, and again, just for the sake of time, I'm just going to put down here negative 7 and 17. And because you're talking about an equation, you don't have greater than or equal to, you don't have any of that, you just have an equals to, which means these two numbers are the only numbers that work. So to show equal to on a number line means to fill in the dots. So you will literally have two dots on your number line. Alright, and that's how that works. Okay?